Hi, Oscar.
You guys are picking on me.
No, we would never pick on someone with a witch's wart.
Oh, see, you called me a witch. Are you going to get it removed?
Yes, we're going to have it removed.
So why are you taking my pictures now?
Well, I'm sorry. They're going to have to pretend the wart isn't there.
And they're going to have to love me for who I am.
They are, because, you know, you're not a spring chicken.
No, and I bet you they've got warts and bumps and calluses somewhere.
Well, we don't want to talk about that.
Well,
it's not nice.
It's just a wart, people.
It is a wart. We're going to get your teeth clean and get the wart removed.
And I'll be a whole new dog.
You will.
I'm a good dog.
You were very good. You were very good for photos.
Yes, I was.
You were just kind of
I was trying to hide the wart, but it couldn't happen. There was no makeup strong enough for that.
You know, some people think it's like a beauty mark.
Well, I doubt that.
Oh.
It's not very pretty.
It's the hair coming out of it.
The spikes, or the hair that looks like spikes is really, that's really the unattractive part.
Okay.
Let's stop focusing on the wart.
Okay, we really like you.
I know.
Okay.
Bye.
Bye.